Okay, little red ribbon. She's Daisy and Logan's. This is a red ribbon girl. And she is 5 weeks old and a couple of days. She was 5 weeks on Friday. And it is Sunday. And she's very sweet. Here's her little picture of her face. Get some kisses and some tail wagging. Here's some puppy tail wagging. Puppy tail wagging. Uh-huh. Oh, gotta go this way. Go this way and play with this toy. Here you go. Here you go. What's that? What's that? What's that? You gonna get it? You gonna get it? Now get that toy. Hey, get that toy. That's sweet, baby. That little red ribbon. Little red ribbon. Daisy and Logan's little baby. 5 weeks old. Huh? What's you hear? What's you hear? Some barking. Huh?